This emergency helicopter hit some power lines, but thankfully was able to land down safely. This Boeing 747 has an engine flameout after a bird strike.
Oh my word.
That was V1. He didn't have
What's he
any
gonna
on-
do?
He continues and he's gonna come back.
This luggage is punched away.
Now you understand why your luggage gets messed up at the airport.
This A400M performs a very tight turn. Before we head to the next clip, make sure to like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated. This is an F-16 on the ground with full afterburners on. This plane tries to land while plane is taking off from the same runway.
Two planes found themselves on the runway at the same time, one taking off and the other landing.
And these F-18s from the Swiss Air Force are intercepting an Embraer E195.